The Philippines hits back at China after Beijing called Manila the real troublemaker and rule breaker in the disputed West Philippine Sea. In a text message, defense spokesman Peter Paul Galvez says the Chinese government has been, quote, twisting the truth, unquote, and misleading its people. He adds the Chinese government should listen instead to its people who are calling for a stop to its bullying, or what Galvez calls the diversion of its domestic issues. Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Hua Chunying earlier said the Philippines, quote, broke its promise, calling the country a hypocrite after the Philippine Navy said it is repairing parts of the BRP Sierra Madre in Ayungin Shoal. That old ship serves as a Navy outpost guarding the area. China claims Ayungin Shoal in the Spratly Group of Islands, which is 105 nautical miles from Palawan and well within the Philippines' exclusive economic zone.